Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today's lesson is about ordinal numbers. Yeah, we have cardinal numbers that we use to talk about, to count something, and we have ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and those are the things that we use to count things. For example, 3 children, 3 men, 3 days. Alright, so we use those things to talk about when we are counting something. 3 cakes. Okay, we are counting cakes. 1 cake, 2 cakes, 3 cakes. But ordinal numbers are the numbers that we use to talk about the order of something. Okay, for example, on a list we have number of things, and then this one, this one, this one, this one, or in a family, like we have the one child, let's say the boy, and then the girl, and here is you are there. So we can't use cardinal numbers to talk about these things. I can't say I am the free child in the family. Oh no, you're not the free child, are you? We can't say this. Alright? So we won't use cardinal numbers to talk about the order, okay, on the list. So if I have a brother and then a sister, and then I come to the family, so I am the third child of the family, okay? Or we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and today is not the 3rd day of the week. No. Today is the 3rd day of the week. So if we are talking about order, okay, the ranking order, or for example, like in a match, in sports, okay, then we can say he was one in karate. No, he won the one medal. No, the first medal. Alright, so let's talk about the ordinal numbers. First, I've got these cardinal numbers over here in front, in the back, okay, so you can see the cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you know the rest. And now I'm going to put the ordinal number in front of them. Alright, so Monday is not the one day of the week, it's the first day of the week, isn't it? So the one that goes on top and sits on the top of the list, for example in karate, in I don't know, in in a week, or in a family, okay, then that person or that day or that thing or that medal is the first one, okay, the first thing. Not the one thing, the first thing. Okay, so 1, then first. What about 2 is second. Okay, imagine you have a brother and then the sister and then a sister and then that's you. So your sister is the second child of the family. Okay, so that person is the second. Then you are the third child of the family. So 3 third and the rest. 4 4th, 5 5th, 6 6th, 7 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. And we continue just like counting, and we add th at the end, but not for all of them. Okay, it's not finished, I'm not finished yet. So then we have 8th, 8th, 9th, 9th. We just add th sound to the end of the number, and we change the number to the ordinal number. But as I just mentioned, it's not finished. We do not have 1, 2, 3 when we are counting, or when we're talking about ordinal numbers. Okay, so when I have 11, okay, that's 11th. When I'm talking about 12, and I say 12th, 13th, 14th, and I continue. But when I come to 21, the story changes. I do not have a 21 and then th. No, that's not right, because we do not have 1, 2, 3. We have first, second, third. Okay, so when I come to 20, and I have to go back to the list. Say 21st, not 21, 21st. Okay, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and then 24th, again third. And I continue up to 30. Again 31. I do not have 1, 2, 3 in ordinal numbers. I have to go back to first, second, third. 31st, 32nd, 33rd. And the rest. So I'm talking about 70, 80, 90. That's the same thing again. 71st, 81st, 91st. One of the things that we use the ordinal numbers for is the date. Okay, like today's date, or like one's birth date. Okay, the day that you were born. So when you want to talk about that day, use the ordinal number. Okay, I can't say I was born on 26th day. I'm not counting days. I have to say 26th. Okay, so I have to use the ordinal number because I'm talking about a day on calendar. Okay, that day is only one day in the whole history. That is not going to be repeated. So we use there before that, and then we mention the name. For example, today. Today is the 6th of July 2016. Okay, so there's there. First of all, we need to keep that there. Lots of my students forget this, of course, when they're new. Okay, not when they have had a couple of lessons, couple of sessions with me. Yeah, they forget it. So the there comes first. Then we have the date. Okay, like 6th, 7th, 8th. Then of, then the month. Okay, so the 5th of July, the 8th of July 2016. That's how we put it. Alright, of course there are different ways as well. I think that's the American style that we say, they say July the, yeah, we say July the 21st, for example. July the 21st. That is also possible. That's the American style. Both are okay. You can say the 21st of July or July the 21st. Both are correct. Now, let me give you another example. When I say the 5th day of the week, when I say the 5th day of the week, that means Friday. So, because I am talking about a list of days and where one stands compared to others. Friday stands in the 5th position when we consider the week starting from Monday. Then Friday is the 5th day. Okay, but if I say today is 5 days of the week, 5 days is completely different from 5th day. You see, 5 days means Monday to Friday, for example. That is 5 24 hours. And if I say 5 days, that is 5 24 hours. But if I say the 5th day, that is only 1 24 hour. That is only 1 day. That small thing makes this big difference. Okay, so make sure you are using the right one when you are making these kind of sentences. Okay, so where else can we use ordinal numbers? Well, wherever you have a ranking, an order. Okay, like talking about countries, some are big, some are small. Then we have a list from the biggest to the smallest. Then I can say this country is the 5th biggest country, or this country is the 18th biggest country. So we have a list, and each country stands on one position. One is on the first, one is on the second, the other one is on the third. So wherever you have, you can compare things. Okay, then you can have a list based on size, based on age, based on let's say the school that you have in your class or something like that. Then you can use those numbers, those ordinal numbers, to refer back to the person standing on that position. Alright, so make examples, think of the things that can have an order, make some examples, and if you're not sure if that can be used or not, comment it under this video, below this video, and then I'll check it and I'll talk to you there. I'll see you in the next video then. Till then, bye bye.